What an amazing day. It was just brutally cold and windy and a lot of fluffy wind-driven snow around the area. This is a look from Thursday, the tail end of the day. This is just after the snow came to an end. We had 3 inches here in Rochester. We had a little sun trying to break through. There you see some peaks of the sun late in the day, but boy, that did nothing for temperatures. They were on the way down all day long. We started in the 30s. We ended in the single digits, but it's good to see the sun still. Unfortunately, wind-driven snow was the bigger story yesterday. We had gusts up to 40 miles per hour, causing blowing and drifting snow all across the area. Things have gotten a little better since then in many ways. But here are the snow totals around the area. Mabel, 6 inches. Minnesota City, 5.4 inches. The highest amounts in the eastern half of the area, both on the Minnesota and Iowa sides of the border and in southwest Wisconsin. Spring Grove had 5 inches, St. Charles 4.7. Here in Rochester, officially at the airport, 3 inches. We had a similar amount here at KTTC, Austin 3.5 inches. So all in that about 2 to 5 inch range for the most part. Now this morning we have a little starlight overhead as we look to the north with our Lewiston auto camera, waiting for at least some sunshine to try to warm us up a little bit. It's 3 degrees right now on the weather patio here in northwest Rochester. The wind's still on the uncomfortable side, and that's going to be the story of the day as well. Just very cold wind chill values. Not much warmth to be felt anywhere. Wind chill right now 15 below. Air pressure is rising, 29.68 inches of mercury. 1 degree at the airport right now in Rochester. Dodge Center 3 above. It's 3 in Mason City and 7 in Winona. This is going to be one of the few mornings going forward that we are going to be talking about positive temperatures at this hour in the morning. It does look like we're going to be in a long stretch of very cold weather with sub-zero mornings. Single-digit high temperatures for the afternoon. In a nutshell, that's what we're facing in the future. So 1 degree sounds cold, but it will likely be worse of this more often than not in the next week or so. It feels a whole lot colder. 21 below zero. The wind's 22 miles per hour. That raw breeze still out there, and it's going to be feeling very harsh throughout the day. Not, again, as strong as yesterday, but still in that 20 to 25 mile per hour range. Very uncomfortable. 1 degree in Rochester, again 3 below at International Falls. The Arctic air continues to bleed southwards. 27 still in Kansas City, 20 in Indianapolis, and the leading edge of that Arctic air as it continues to pour southward. A couple of clouds wrapping around the backside of that departing storm system that's now marching eastward. Snow is moving out of our area, of course, but we'll still have a few fair weather clouds here and there, so we'll be in and out of the clouds with raw winds, high temperatures in the single digits. Bitterly cold this weekend, barely getting above zero at all the entire weekend. And next week, similar situation, single-digit highs and very cold sunshine. 2 degrees for that morning commute. Slick roads from yesterday's snowfall and those raw winds, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Occasional sunshine, that nagging breeze out of the west-northwest. 9 degrees expected high, 527 will be sunset today. So we start out with that 9 this afternoon for high this evening, and then see the temperatures take a tumble down below zero by tomorrow morning. The first of many sub-zero mornings headed our way in the future. And wind chills today, during the day, meanwhile, in the teens below zero pretty much the entire time. Future track watching that storm system continue to rotate as it works its way out of the area. Occasional sun and clouds throughout the day. Winds out of the west and northwest at times 20 to 30 miles per hour, keeping that wind chill 10 to 20 below zero. Localized pockets of blowing snow, but not as much as yesterday. Clipper system grazes us to the south tomorrow. Snow for central and southern Iowa, not here, but we'll see a few extra clouds at first. Increasing sunshine in the afternoon, with still that nagging west-northwest breeze that'll keep that wind chill 10 to 20 below zero. And Sunday, high pressure comes in. It looks like a quieter day with some extra sun, less wind, but still very cold weather. Teens below zero to start the day, only 2 below zero for high temperature Sunday. And all of next week still single digits. It looks like we may not see double digits again for high temperature, officially anyway, until maybe next weekend or maybe even slightly beyond that. It could be more than 7 to 10 days. It's hard to imagine how long this stretch of really cold weather may be hanging on. 9 degrees today. Meanwhile, west winds 15 gusting to 30 miles per hour. Wind chill 10 to 20 below zero. 5 below zero tonight. Partly cloudy skies with 10 to 20 mile per hour winds. 7-day forecast. Frigid sunshine this weekend. A couple snow showers or flurries on Monday, and more of that cold sunshine next week. I hope you've dug out all of your thick winter wear, Jess. I'm sure you've had it around anyway, but now the really, really heavy stuff, and have it at the ready, because you're going to need that.
Oh, it is ready, Ted.